this quick video guide, we're gonna see how to solve a pretty common problem and also easy to fix when we work with WordPress, either that we are online or in our local machine. So basically, WordPress needs a database, which is in MySQL, and if it doesn't connect, it's gonna give you an error, which is like error establishing a connection with the database. This is pretty common when you, for example, reset your database or MySQL username or password, and so you will find the website to be unreachable or not appearing or giving you errors. Now again, you can do this locally, or like I'm doing right now. I'm using an FTP service, and this is my website right here, so I can just manage from this control panel everything I need. Now what you need, you need to look for the wp minus config.php, which is the one that lets you configure the database access. So this is not the database, but this is the PHP that is gonna link you and establish the connection between the rest of the WordPress system and the database. So the most important fields here you need to override, you need to change, or you need to make sure they are correct is the DB name, the DB user, and the DB password. So the name of the database you're using and the user and the password to get access to that database. When you finish, you're just going to click on save or just override or save and close, and that should fix the issue connecting to your database. If this doesn't solve it, could be some more complex issue. So this is just a short video guide. So if you like it, please subscribe to the channel for more. And if you want to give us a little support, you want to thank us, you can do it by joining the channel as a supporter. You can write your comments, ask for assistance, ask questions, and also give suggestions to other users. Don't forget to check our other courses and other videos and video guides in our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video guide.